Hello guys, now let's continue our lesson as we look at the index, and in this particular video we're looking at index form. So we'll be looking at 3 questions. Now the first question that I actually have here, it says to write the following in index form. Now what this actually means is we are going to look for what is our base and what is going to be our power or index or exponent, because it's power or index, INDEX, or exponent. So let's look at our first question here. We have 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. Now in a case like this, it's easy to identify our base because our base is what is the number that we're looking at alone. In this case, it's just 3. Now, how many times do we have 3? We have 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the power is 5. Now, this is generally what most of you are comfortable with. But now let's look at questions that you need to become more comfortable with. So in this case here now, what we actually have is 2 times 2 times 2. Then we have here 3, so we're not only dealing with 2's anymore. There we have another 3. So again, what we're going to be doing is we need to establish what our base is. So from what we have here, we have 2 as a base times, and we also have 3 as another base. So think of bases moving forward as what is common or what is there. And take note, it doesn't only attribute to what is common, because in another question you'll see exactly what I mean by that. So sorry for that little bit of confusion. But you need to actually use everything that you're given in the expansion and even write it in index form. So we have 2, 2, and 2, then we have 3 and 3. How many times do we have 2? 1, 2. We have 2 3 times, and we have 3. 1, 2. This is 2 times. So it's not as complicated as you think, it's very simple. Now this is why I corrected myself, because I actually remembered why I chose this particular example. Some persons are still not familiar with, or they're not yet understanding the power of 1. So here, let's hope we can make this straight now. So we have 3 times 5 times 5 times 7 times 7 times 7. So what do we have here? We have 3. Then we have 5s. And then we have 7s. So I'm actually spacing them out so you can actually see it. So we have 3, we have 3. So that's good. Then we have 5, and 5 happens 2 times. Then we have 7. That happens 3 times. As a result, our answer is 3 times 5 to the 2nd power times 7 to the 3rd power. And this is the answer in index form. So I hope this video has found you well, and do enjoy the remainder of your day. Bye.